Welcome to a basic Urchy tutorial. When you first log in, it'll look like this, and any files you have will show up here. It's organized by my files, shared by me files, and shared with me. It's like a lot of services, just pretty simple and less expensive. Let's check out the dashboard. So you can pay $4 per terabyte like I am here, and you also get 1 gigabyte free when you sign up and 10 gigabytes for every person you refer, up to 100 free gigabytes. And you'll get an email with a link, or you can click the notifications bell and then copy and share that link to people, and anyone who signs up with that link will give you 10 gigabytes free. So yeah, it's pretty simple, hopefully intuitive. You can upload folders, upload files, you can sort. Let's create a new folder, call it testing. There it is. Now we can go into that new folder and let's upload something. Okay, there it is. Now to share a file, you click on the file you want to share. First you have to put in your My Files. Then you click those three dots, say copy to shared, create a new folder name, and that's going to be your shared folder. And then you can put it in any email you want. They don't even have to be a Urchy customer yet. You just put in all the emails you want to share. And then once you click copy, now all those files are shared with them. Anything that you put in the shared folder. And it gives you a kind of notification, and that's it. Now when we click shared by me, this folder that we just created is there, and we can inspect it. The other user can manipulate it, add it, change the name, and then we'd be able to see those changes in real time right there. Okay. Now we'll log out, log back in as that other user. And yeah, that user was just created actually after we shared, and there's no files shared by me, but there is shared with me. So now we can see, and you can rename it. If you have write and delete privileges, you can delete it, rewrite it. And if you're given write and delete privileges, you can also upload as much as you want. So let's say we click this, we want to see what our friend shared with us. And I also thought this would be a fun example. You know, hear the word encrypted, what's it actually mean? So this is how all your files actually look on our servers. We get your files and we immediately encrypt them. And so it looks like this nonsense. And that helps keep everything safe and secure. So yeah, now within this shared folder, we can upload as many files as we want. And now that original owner of can look in that folder and see any files that we uploaded. It's only the user who created the folder who has to pay if these free gigabytes are exceeded. So yeah, I just thought that would be a fair way of doing it. It could be good for artists and nonprofits, people wanting to save money, who want to share lots of files to lots of people without having to hit a paywall. So yeah, I hope that helps someone out there. Thanks.